clouds for snow?
Yeah, so we have two ways. We have ground-based seeding generators, which are actually, there's one right in front of me as well. And we also have aircraft where they fly tracks up above us.
And how do you determine if it actually worked? How do you know which clouds are actually producing snow, whether or not it was the ones you seeded?
So one of the ways is we can actually detect with radar. We have two mobile radars from the Center for Severe Weather Research. They're called the DOWs, the Doppler on Wheels. So sometimes we can actually see some of the seeding signatures directly from one of the DOWs, or also from an aircraft-based radar as well. But we also have models, weather models, that we can run, and we can back out whether the seeding actually enhanced snowfall compared to what the natural precipitation would have done.
And is one of your goals from this the ability to, I don't want to say control weather, but the ability to maybe enhance the snowfall for watersheds and irrigation, snowpack, et cetera, for those areas?
Right. So snowpack is really important for the water supply out in the Intermountain West of the United States. It's also important for hydroelectric power production. So the more snow we can get in these mountains, the better the water supply in the summer, and the better the power production we can get.
You know, I have to ask this question. There's been decades of snow seeding experiments, and I know in Wyoming they just suspended because they've gotten a tremendous amount of snow and rain into that area. So are there any questions from officials or residents about the research that's going on there?
Yeah, so we actually have a suspension criteria. And when I say we, it's the Idaho Power Company. That's who we're actually teamed up with. We do the science, they do the seeding. And they actually have a suspension criteria. So if there's a flooding concern or avalanche concerns, they actually don't seed. So anything during those periods, it would just be natural snowfall.
Josh, I want to ask you a question that I hope is not above your pay grade here. Is the goal here maybe to, and it is, I want to know if it's cost effective or not, because if one of your goals is to generate power, is it cheaper to see the cloud, get enough snow or rain to fall into that watershed to create the hydropower, or